Dr. Sarah, the Vagabond Shrink. Today we are in Fernandina Beach, which is the main town in Amelia Island, which is northeast of Jacksonville, Florida. We're eating at Gilbert's Underground Restaurant. This is a really cool local hangout. We'll bring you in and show you all about it. So we're here with Jeannie. So Jeannie, how long have you been involved in this restaurant?
Well, I've been involved actually with the restaurant since the opening. I didn't technically start working here until June though, but I'm personal friends with Chef Kenny Gilbert. We worked together back in the 90s at the Ritz-Carlton here on Amelia Island.
Wonderful. And what makes Gilbert's unique? What makes this restaurant unique?
Well, I think what makes Gilbert's unique is Kenny's passion for food. He is a connoisseur of everything fine and really diving deep into the barbecue aspect. He really enlivens Southern cuisine.
It sounds fantastic. We can't wait to try it. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you.
Celebrity chef Kenny Gilbert rose to fame in 2010 as one of the fan favorites on season 7 of Bravo's Top Chef. He's now come home and created this amazing neighborhood-driven, deep Southern American restaurant. We just stopped in for a quick snack, so we had the fish dip with pickled vegetables. It was delicious.
So this is the fish dip, and you see there's real chunks of fish. He smokes the fish on the grill and then pulls it apart for the fish dip. It's amazing. So good.
Even in the bathroom, they've thought of everything. There's little things you might need, like a mint or a toothpick. It really makes you feel like you're at home. Overall, I'd highly recommend Gilbert's Underground Kitchen. If you're coming to the Amelia Island area, definitely check it out. And as always, thanks for watching.